Hello, my dear students. Today's topic for discussion is Bandura's social learning theory or social cognitive theory. Most learning is gained by people's perception and thinking about what they experience. They learn by copying the examples of others around them. The social learning theory emphasizes on the importance of observing and modeling behaviors, attitudes, and emotional reactions of others. Social learning theory focuses on the learnings that occurs with a social context. Albert Bandura's social learning theory stresses the importance of observational learning, imitation, and modeling. His theory integrates a continuous interaction between behavior, personal factors including cognition and the environment, referred to as reciprocal causation model. The reciprocal causation model has three factors which are person, environment and the behavior. However, Bandura did not suggest that the three factors make equal contribution to the behavior. The influence of behavior, environment, and person depends on which factor is strongest at any particular moment. In a model, the three factors are: first, the behavior comprises of complexity, duration, skill, etc. The environment refers to the situation, relationship, roles, and models. And the person refers to the cognition, but all other personal factors which includes self-efficacy, motives and personalities. Bandura's famous experiment was Bobo doll study 1961. Briefly, he made a video where a woman was shown being aggressive to a Bobo doll, hitting, shouting aggressive words, and the same film or the same video was shown to the group of children. Afterwards, the children were allowed to play in a room with the same doll. The children started imitating the model by beating the Bobo doll and using similar aggressive words. The study was significant because it departed from behaviorism, instances that all behavior is directed by reinforcement or rewards. But the children here received no gifts or incentives to beat the doll. They were just simply imitating the behavior that they observed. Through this Bobo dolls experiment, Bandura grounded his understanding of model's primary function. Model's primary function, that is to transmit information to the observer. While talking about the models can be real people, which can be teachers, coaches, etc. Model can also come from media, books, TV, magazines, which we can say the symbolic models, and the models can influence behavior positively or negatively. So, while discussing about the observational learning, there are four elements of observational learning, which are attention, retention, motor reproduction, and reinforcement or motivation. First, the attention. Attention suggests that persons cannot learn by observation unless they are aware of the important aspects of a model's performance. People learn from a model when they recognize and pay attention to its critical features. Number 2, retention. It includes how well the individual remembers the model's action, which can be symbolic or the mental images, cognitive organizations, symbolic rehearsal or motor rehearsal. Number 3, that is motor reproduction. Motor reproduction, we can say that after observing the model, the watcher must imitate the model's action, or once we have retained the model's action, we need to perform it. Finally, in order for observational learning to be successful, you have to be motivated to imitate the behavior that has been modeled. Reinforcement and punishment play an important role in motivation. While experiencing these motivators can be highly effective, so can observing others experience with some type of reinforcement and punishment. There are three types of reinforcement. First, the direct, which occurs when an individual watch a model perform, imitates that behavior and is reinforced or punished by some individual. Number two, the vicarious reinforcement. Here, the observer anticipates receiving a reward for behaving in a given way because someone else has been so rewarded. Number three, self reinforcement. The individual strives to meet personal standards and does not depend on or care about the reaction of the others. So, these were the four elements of observational learning. Now let's discuss about the educational implication or the classroom application of this theory. That is, number one, learning through observation can be demonstrating and modeling ideas and skill or ensuring students' attention to the critical features. Number two, presenting a diverse range of models which challenges learners' thinking. 3. Enforcing social learning through role play, debate, and mind maps. 4. Using intrinsic reinforcement that are pride and a sense of accomplishment as a form of reward. So, this were the main characteristics or the theory of observational learning, and we can conclude that the attention, retention, production, and motivation are the four factors which we need to keep in our mind for the observational learning of Albert Bandura. Thank you.